This How to 1 Minute will show you how to add download timer button in Blogger website. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to do it. First of all, you have to download this course and you will get this course in this video description below. Now you have to customize this code. Enter here the file name, enter here your file size, enter here the download button level. Now here you have to enter your file download link or URL. And now from here you can change your download button timer, time left basically, and then copy this whole course from here. Now open the post where you want to add the download timer button. You have to edit the post and make sure to select HTML view, and I'm going to adding my course here, update. Now I'm going to view the post, and here we can see the download timer button has been successfully added. If I click on download, the download will start after the time. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.